Hi guys, good morning and a very warm welcome to the session here. I can see some of you have already joined us here. A very good morning everyone. I hope you guys are doing well and your preparations are going good too. Well, today's session as you know is based on most expected questions for your upcoming RBI Grade B examination. So chalo, let's quickly start this session here. Good morning everyone. I hope you guys are doing well here. Okay. So this is the fourth session of this particular series where again we will be having some questions for today. But before that, I hope everybody has already downloaded the app for Oliveboard and also you must have subscribed to the official channel of Oliveboard. नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से कर लो and yes, please like the session. तो session को like नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से like भी कर दो, ठीक है? So let's have a look at the first question. The first question is there on your screen based on critical reasoning. Let's check it out that what should be the answer here. Let's see. Good morning everyone. चलो जल्दी से इसका आंसर बताइए. Let's see what should be the answer. Okay, Avi says only 2 is implicit. Chalo, let's understand this particular question, right? Let's see what is given. A recent study shows that who are 18 to 34 years old account for 40% of crypto owners globally. The level of financial awareness in India already leaves something to be desired. Okay, that means there is a option of betterment, right? It does not mean that they are financially unaware completely, but it can be better, right? That means something is to be desired. That means something more can be done, right? It can be made better. When you add cryptocurrency to the mix and sell it as cool, the risk only grows manifold. The influencer and brand ambassadors of cryptocurrency could end up creating a trust bubble for something that is yet not fully understood. And when the bubble bursts, it could forever alter customer behavior. Okay. Now you have to understand that which of the following is implicit here. First one says most of the people who use cryptocurrency in India are financially unaware. You cannot say that they are financially unaware. Unaware means zero awareness, but we cannot say that. We have been said here that this is something to be desired. That means something more can be added. That is, betterment is possible here, but financially unaware is not the right inference which can be made here. Okay. People using cryptocurrency in India are doing so as to stay in trend without having an actual industrial understanding of how it works. Absolutely, this can be inferred from this particular line here. That is, when you add cryptocurrency to the mix and sell it as cool. Cool means that to stay in the trend, right? That is the meaning of this one. The risk only grows manifold. That is, just to stay in trend, if you use cryptocurrency without the actual understanding, the risk becomes even higher, right? That is the meaning here. So you can understand, you can infer from the information given here that actually people in India are just using cryptocurrency just to follow the trend. They don't know about its behavior and they are actually risking it, isn't it? So you can see the answer should be only 2 is implicit. Chalo, next question. Reverse syllogism. Let's check it out. Let's see what should be the answer here. Try this out. Good morning, Som Prakash. I'm absolutely great. How are you, Som? चलो जल्दी से इसको ट्राई करिए. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन रिवर्स सिलॉजिज्म. क्या समझ नहीं आ रहा है, सोम? किस तरह से करना है इस क्वेश्चन को, ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है, या जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? You are in class 12, so you can try for CHSL, right? SSC has a lot of courses, lot of exams for 10th pass, 12th pass students as well, right? Banking, for banking you will have to have at least graduation, right? Before graduation you cannot apply for any jobs in the banking or insurance sector, but in SSC there are some of the options open. चलो लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट, राइट? इसको देखते हैं कि किस तरह से करना है. व्हाट इज इट सेइंग? सम बोर्ड्स कैन नेवर बी ग्राम्स, राइट? सो दिस इज अ सम नॉट वन, right? Sum not, you can see none of them can be eliminated here because none of them is yes, absolutely. So start preparing. Your favorite job is SSC CGL. Absolutely great posts are there in CGL, right? So give your best. अभी से preparation करो ताकि आप जब ग्रेजुएट हो जाओ उसके बाद, क्योंकि सीजीएल में भी ग्रेजुएशन चाहिए, ठीक है? तो अभी से प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दो एंड यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, सो गिव योर बेस्ट. यू विल बी एबल टू मेक इट थ्रू. अगर अभी से कर दिया तो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही निकल जाएगा, ठीक है? बहुत टाइम है. चलो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. Okay, so you can see some boards can never be grams. So you can see this is a sum not based conclusion. ठीक है? अब sum not के लिए there should be something negative in the set of statements. You can see all the statements are having something or other negative. ऐसा तो कहीं भी नहीं है कि सारा का सारा पॉजिटिव है ना? So nothing can be eliminated. That means finally we'll have to make the diagram and see that which of the following can be the answer here. Okay, and do we have something which is directly contradicting? Like some boards can never be grams. If we have a particular set of statement where we have said all boards are grams, agar all boards are grams kahin par de diya, then it will be directly contradicting. But you can see nowhere it is given all boards are grams. ठीक है? तो चलो इसको बनाकर देखते हैं. Let's use statement number 1. One thing you can also do is to check directly statement number 2 or 3, because you can see if you go by option, statement number 2 has been given here, here and here. So if you are able to eliminate statement number 2, that is 2 is not giving you the right answer, that means 3 of the options will be eliminated, है ना? तो चलो मान लो कि 2 को पहले कर लेते हैं. No gram is a wish. Okay, no gram is a wish will be drawn like this. Okay, no gram is a wish is something like this. Only a few converts are wishes. That means some converts are wishes and there is a particular portion of convert which will not be wishes. All boards are wishes, so all boards are wishes will be like this. Okay, so you can see this is the diagram. अब यहाँ पर देखो क्या conclusion दे रखा है. Some boards can never be grams. Some boards can never be grams. You can see no boards are grams is true. So you can see 2 से तो आ रहा है ना? तो you can see 2 से तो डेफिनेटली आ रहा है. दैट मीन्स दिस ऑल्सो कैन बी द आंसर, दिस ऑल्सो कैन बी द आंसर, दिस ऑल्सो कैन बी द आंसर. दैट मीन्स दिस इज एलिमिनेटेड एंड दिस इज एलिमिनेटेड. तो यू कैन सी 2 and 5 are eliminated, having confusion in only a few, and some can never be. Away some A can never be B is normal, some A are not B, right? This is just like saying some boards are not grams, right? This is the same statement here, no difference at all. But what is the meaning of only a few? Only a few is a combination of some plus some not. When you say only a few ARB, that means you are saying some ARB, and at the same time there are some A which can never be B. जैसे यहाँ पर हमने बोला है only a few converts are wishes, so that means there has to be a definite interaction between converts and wishes. That is, some converts have to be definitely wishes, and at the same time there has to be a particular portion of convert which will never be inside wishes. ठीक है, तो some भी valid है, some not भी valid है in case of only a few. Okay, that is a compound statement here. So you can see 2 is giving you a definite answer. Now let's check the third one. Okay, let's see if third is giving us the answer here. So either it can be both 2 and 3 or all 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, let's check the third one. Only a few converts are bored. That means some converts are bores and some converts are not bores. Okay, this kind of diagram we have. Then we have only a few converts are wishes. That means some converts are wishes and some converts are not wishes. Okay. Then we have all converts are grams. Okay. All converts are grams will be something like this. Okay. This is all converts are grams here. Now it says some bores can never be grams. You can see bore is independent of gram. We could have made the bore like this as well, right? ये ग्राम इस तरह से भी बना सकते थे, such that bore could have been completely inside gram, because the negative information is convert to bore, not bore to convert or bore to gram, isn't it? There is no negative information between bore and gram. तो ग्राम के अंदर तो बोर पूरा जा सकता है, they are independent, no negative information here. That means third is not giving us the right answer, right? Third से हमारा conclusion valid नहीं हो रहा है. So if third is not giving us the valid conclusion, that means this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer, hence it has to be only 2. Okay. What is the difference between few and only few? Few is normal sum. Okay. Few ARB. What is the meaning of this? This means sum ARB. Okay. This is your normal sum ARB. And we have only a few ARB. Only a few ARB. This is a combination of sum plus sum not. That is sum ARB and sum AR not B. Okay, this is the difference here. Sum AR not B. Okay, I hope this is clear. So you can see in this particular case, the answer will be only 1. Everybody clear with this? Chalo, next question on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. Let's try. Few ARB means few AR not B, na? No, 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 Avi. Few ARB means some ARB. Okay. Few is not giving you a negative information. Few ARB means some ARB. It is just some, normal sum. There is no sum not involved in that. Okay. Only a few has, when we say only a few, that means we are specifically saying that, okay, there is some portion of A which has to be B, but there has to be a definite portion of A which can never be B as well. Right? So that is only a few. When you say few ARB, there is no negative information in that. Okay, that is normal sum, some ARB. Few is normal sum Avi. Okay, few ARB is normal sum ARB. No negative information. Most welcome, Avi. Okay, let's try this out. So tell me which of the following will have repetitive letters. Okay, let's see. Okay, what needs to be done here? You have to take two letters at a time from left, okay, and you have to pair them, and then you have to reverse the positions. That is, CP becomes PC, UR becomes RU becomes UR, but also we have to replace the vowel by the next letter, right? So UV. So you can see this will be VR. Then I becomes J, so we will have JH, and then we have your we have your MJ anyways, right? So this will be the new word that we will have here. So in this case, you can see that J is coming twice, isn't it? So letter is repetitive in this case. So that means one is there. Okay, in one we have repetition. Similarly, in the second case, you will see we will have DB. This will be C. Sorry, this is your B anyways. B here, right? We should change only the vowels. So this LB becomes BL, okay? This EF becomes what? F and XV, right? So RX becomes XR. So you can see this is the new word in the second case, right? So again, you can see we have repetitions here. So first is also giving you repetitions, second is also giving you repetitions. Third में देखो, you will have S, M and O, P. So we will have a SP. This will be your GT, then we will have WV, and then we will have NK. So here you can see we do not have any repetition, isn't it? In the third one, we do not have a repetition. So that means the answer should be both 1 and 2. Are we clear, everybody? So you can see you have to make two letters pair, right? You have to reverse the pair, that is, you have to interchange their positions, and after that you have to add one to the vowels here, right? So next vowel ka next letter has to be taken, and then you have to see whether we have any repetitions in that particular word or not. Okay, everybody clear with this? Okay, so the answer will be both 1 and 2. Chal, next question on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. So we have coded inequality here. Let's try it out. Let's see. चलो जल्दी से इसका आंसर बताइए. Let's see. Let's check. And guys, do not forget to like the session. तो जिसने भी अभी तक सेशन को लाइक नहीं किया है, जल्दी से लाइक कर दो सेशन को. And also, if you have not subscribed to the channel as of yet, abhi subscribe kar lo ताकि you get the notifications of all the classes that we have on this particular channel. Only one? Okay, chalo, let's try it out, right? What is given here? T211Q. What is the meaning of 211? Not greater than. That means less than equal to. Not smaller than means greater than equal to. This means either they are equal or not. They are means that neither they are equal nor greater. That means smaller. Neither equal nor smaller, so greater. Neither greater nor smaller. That means equal to, right? So we have to tell which of the following is definitely true here. So T 211 means less than equal to, so T is less than equal to Q. Then 932 means equal to, so Q is equal to W. 356 is greater than equal to P, right? 765 is what? 765 is greater than V. Then 932 again, so 932 means equal to, and this is your S. After that we have 211, that is your less than equal to U, and 483 means less than R, right? So you can see this is the statement given to us. First one says V is less than Q. So what is the relation from V to Q? You can see, can we have a definite relation? Yes, because the symbols are not of opposite nature, less than, equal to, equal to. So we will have V is less than Q, because less than gets a higher priority over your less than, equal to, and equal to, isn't it? So you can see V will be less than Q here. So that means this is absolutely right, no issues. Second, देखो T less than equal to P. What is the relation here? You can see we cannot have a definite relation between T to P, because the symbols here are of opposite nature. We have a less than equal to and greater than equal to. So they will contradict with each other, right? So that means we can never have a definite relation between the two. So this will be your cannot be determined. तो ये second वाला तो CND हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Third देखो W to U. Do we have a relation from W to U? You can see we have a greater than here and we have a less than equal to here. So again you can see that we have symbols of opposite nature between W and U. That means we can never have a definite relation between them, isn't it? I hope this is clear. So again this will be your cannot be determined. So the answer to this question should be only one. Okay, absolutely great work. Chalo, next question on your screen. Let me remove myself from here if you are not able to see the complete question. तो जल्दी से इसको ट्राई करिए. वेरी नाइस क्वेश्चन इन हियर, बहुत अच्छा सा क्वेश्चन है ये. एक बार चेक करो. लेट्स सी हाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इज टू बी डन. ओके, जल्दी से ट्राई करिए. लेट्स सी. आई होप सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि इसको करना कैसे है. राइट, वी आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ दिस हैज टू बी डन. चलो लेट्स डू वन थिंग, लेट्स ट्राई टू कंप्लीट इट टुगेदर. ठीक है, इसको साथ में करते हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज टू बी डन हियर. So you can see a student keeps all his subject books and copies in different shelves. He has rows of 5 shelves each, which is dedicated to a single subject. That means history, bio, geography. and every subject has certain books and certain copies, right? Now it is given the length of each book has to be 9 centimeter and the length of each copy has to be 7 centimeter. That means for history there has to be certain books, and similarly for history there has to be certain copies, right? We do not know how many copies or books are there. Each shelf has at least one book and one copy. That means minimum one book and one copy has to be there. The total length of the row of the shelf is 264 centimeter and the shelves are filled to its maximum capacity. Like let's say if we say that the shelf containing history is 73 centimeter. Okay, we know that history has to be how much? History has to be 73 centimeter here. Now this has to be a sum of certain number of books plus certain number of copies. So we know we have to find out that how many books are there and how many copies are to be there in history. Okay, so like let's say if there is one book, that means 9 centimeter. If there is one copy, that means we will have 7 centimeter. Similarly, if two books are there, so 18, three books 27, four books will be 36, five books will be 45, six books will be 54, and so on. Similarly, for seven also you can see one copy 7, two copies 14, three will be 21, four 28, five 35, and let's say six is 42. Now you have to find a particular combination of books and copies such that the sum is 73. Now, how do we have a sum of 73, guys? It can be further, right? It is not necessary that only we have to calculate till 6. But till 6, do we have any combination which is giving us a 73? Let's say 54. 54 plus how much is 73? That is equal to 19. But with 54, we do not have a 19 in case of 7, right? So that's not a possibility. 45 के साथ possible है क्या? 45, 55, 65 and 75 minus 2, that is your 33, right? So you can see 45 के साथ what should be there? Do we have a 28? 45 and 28? Yes, you can see we have a 45 and 28, right? So 45 plus 28 gives us how much? 73. That means this is a possibility. That means we have how many books? 9 books and 4 copies, isn't it? So this is a possibility here, 9 books and 4 copies. Do we have any other possibility? Let's check. 36 के साथ do we have a possibility? 7 we do not have, right? So not possible. 27 के साथ to have a 3 in the end, that means there should be a 6 in the end here again. We do not have that, right? 18 के साथ again we will not have a possibility. So you can see this is the only possibility, 9 books plus 4 copies, isn't it? So you can see history के लिए we have 9 books and 4 copies. So that is the method of finding that how many books and copies have to be here. Okay, so let's try it out what is given. So we know that shelf of history is 73 centimeter long. So we know 73 is equal to how much? 9 books plus 4 copies here, right? That we have found here. English shelf has 3 books and 2 centimeter longer than the bio and copies, bio books and copies. Okay, so English is how much? You can see English has 3 books, right? This is given. English has 3 books plus some copies. We do not know how many copies here, but it is also given that English has to be 2 centimeter longer than bio, right? So it is given whatever is the length of bio, English has to be 2 centimeter longer than that. Economics shelf has same number of books and copies and is second to the left of the neighbor of the shelf containing geography books, right? So you can see economics has same number of books and copies. That means one book, one copy, two books, two copies, and so on. Okay, we do not know how many are there. We will check that later. English and bio shelves are at a gap of 2 shelves. The length of bio and economics shelf has to be 85. Now this is one important hint here. Okay, that is bio plus economics has to be how much? It has to be 85 centimeter here. Now we know that economics के लिए क्या क्या possibility है. Let's take the cases of economics here. It can be one book plus one copy. Similarly, two books plus two copies, three books plus three copies, isn't it? There are a possibility four books plus four copies and so on. Similarly, five books plus five copies. Now, what is the case here? One book plus one copy. When we have one book plus one copy, that is 9 plus 7, isn't it? 9 plus 7. Because one book is 9 centimeter, one copy is 7 centimeter. So 9 plus 7 is how much? That is 16 centimeter. Similarly, two books means 18. 18 plus 14, that is equal to how much? 18 plus 14 कितना होता है? 32, right? So 18 plus 14 is 32. 3 books plus 3 copies. So you can see 3 books means 27 and 3 copies means 21. So we will have a 48 here, isn't it? And similarly here 9 fours are 36 and 7 fours are 28. So how much will we have? 8 6 14, 3 3 6, 64. Isn't it? So we get a 64 here. Now let's say if we take 5 books plus 5 copies, what will happen here? 9 fives are 45 plus 35, right? What is this total here? 5 5 10 and 4 4 8 80, right? So 80 is also a possibility, but we know that economics plus bio has to be equal to 85. So if this is 80, that means bio should be 5 centimeter, and 5 centimeter cannot be a combination of some books plus some copies, right? So 80 is not a possibility. 80 or above 80, it's not a possibility. ठीक है? तो अगर economics 16 है, what should be the value for bio? Bio will be equal to 85 minus 16. How much is that? That is equal to 7 minus 1, 69, right? So here bio will be 69. So you can see when we take one book plus one copy, what will happen? One book plus one copy, which gives us 16 centimeter. Bio comes as 69 centimeter, isn't it? Similarly, when we take two books plus two copies, that means we have a 32 here. So that means 85 minus 32. How much is that? 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So we get a 53 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, when we take 3 books plus 3 copies, what will happen when we have 3 books plus 3 copies? You can see this is 48. If this is 48, that means 85 minus 48. What should be the length of this bio? You can see that is your 7, and 7 minus 4, 3, right? So we have a 37 centimeter, isn't it? Similarly, when we take 4 books plus 4 copies, we get a 64 here. And 64 means 85 minus 64, we have a 1, and 86 is 21. So we get a 21 centimeter here. Okay. Now what do we know about English? English has to be bio plus 2. Okay, bio plus 2, that means in this case it will be 71. In this case it will be 55. In this case it will be 39. And in this case it will be 23 centimeter. Isn't it? I hope this is clear, everybody. Now we know for sure that English has 3 books in total, right? 3 books तो है ही यहाँ पर definitely. 3 books, 3 books, 3 books and 3 books, right? So here you can see that 27 is already there. Okay. So 27 तो already है यहाँ पर. To have a 71 total, that means how many copies should be there? It should be 71 minus 27. That is equal to 4. And 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 again. So you should have a 44. Now 44 is not a multiple of your 7, isn't it? So you can see the first case becomes invalid because 44 multiple nahi hai 7 ka. This cannot be a perfect multiple of 7 here, right? So first case is invalid. Similarly, second case, dekho 55 minus 27. How much is 55 minus 27? You can see that's equal to how much? 7 and 9, right? And this is your 4 minus 2, that is 29, right? So you get a 29 here. So 27 plus 29 gives us a 55. Again, you can see this is not a valid value, right? ये भी valid नहीं है. 29 भी possible नहीं हो सकता because sum has to be, it has to be a perfect multiple of 7, right? So that means this is also invalid. I hope this is clear. ठीक है? चलो आगे देखते हैं. 29 ही आएगा ना? 28. 7 and okay, I'm so sorry. 28. My bad. Yes. So 28 is possible, right? You can see 28 तो आ सकता है. ठीक है? तो ये possible है. To have a 28, what should be the value here? To have a 28, you can see this has to be 4, right? 7 4s are 28. So you can see this is absolutely possible. तो ये वाला case possible है. ठीक है? ये possible हो गया. Okay. After that, with 39. With 39, what will be the value? You can see we will have 71 minus 30. Not 71, sorry. What was that? 39. 39 minus 27, isn't it? So 39 minus 27 is how much? You can see that's 2 and 1. So 12. 12, again, it's not a possibility. है ना? तो ये भी possible नहीं है. That means third case is invalid. And here you can see 27th already है. So how it can be a 23, right? So 27 plus something should give us a something which is greater than 27. That means fourth case is also invalid. So you can see the second case will be the valid one here, isn't it? I hope this is clear. So you can see that we have found the values for your economics, bio and chemistry, right? Bio and English. ठीक है, तो ये आपका वैल्यू आ गया. चलो इसको ट्राई करते हैं. Okay, so let me remove all this from here. Okay, so you can see we have found this. So this is invalid, ये invalid है. Okay, similarly the third is invalid and the fourth also is invalid here. Okay, तो valid कौन सा? Second वाला. अब 53 के लिए combination बताओ. How do we have a 53 here? For bio we should have 53, right? So 53 का combination क्या होगा? What should be the combination for 53? It has to be a multiple of 9 plus 7, right? It has to be something like copy plus book. तो क्या value होगा which gives us a 53? Anybody? 53 कैसे आएगा? कोई बताएगा 53 का combination? Like let's say if we have to take a 53, like let's say 54 is not a possibility. इसके ऊपर का ही कोई combination बनेगा, isn't it? 45 plus 8, right? We do not have that, right? 45 plus 8, so this is not possible. 36 के साथ possible है क्या? 36 के साथ we should have a no, again not possible. 27 के साथ 53 होगा क्या? Let's say 27 and we should have a this one 28. 27 and 28. नहीं, 27 28 will give us 55. Not possible. 8 के साथ 18 के साथ do we have a 53 here? 35 and 18. 45 55. So yes, 18 and 35 will give us 53 here, isn't it? ठीक है, so 18 plus 35 gives us a 53. So that means you have two books here and 35 means 5 copies, right? So you can see 80 this 18 plus 35 will gives us 53. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा हो गया इकोनॉमिक्स, बायो एंड इंग्लिश. ठीक है, so we have found all the values here. So now let's try to find that what should be the possibility for the arrangement. ठीक है, तो एक हिस्ट्री 73 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, उसको ट्राई करेंगे. इंग्लिश शेल्फ हैज 3 बुक्स एंड 2 सेंटीमीटर लार्जर देन बायो. ओके, economics shelf has same number of books and copies and is second to the left of the neighbor of geography, right? So what is the possibility here? Let's say this is your economics. It has to be second to the left of something, right? You can see it is second to the left of neighbor of geography. So that means one possibility is this, that geography is here. This is one possibility. Similarly, there is another possibility, that is your geography is here, isn't it? Because economics is second to the left of this one and this has to be a neighbor of geography. So these are the two cases that we can have. Okay, after that let's see what is given. The shelf of immediate right of bio has at least four copies, right? And geography and bio are not kept in neighboring shelves and English and bio are at a gap of 2 shelves here. Okay, so English and bio have to be at a gap of 2 shelves. That is important. Okay, and this bio and geography should not be in neighboring shelves. Okay, तो first वाले case में देखो, where should we have bio? The only possibility, let's say if we take your bio here, you cannot have your English because it has to be at a gap of 2. यहाँ पर ले लो, फिर से not possible. So the only possibility will be bio here, right? If bio is here, you can see English will be here. ठीक है, और bio के immediate right में you have economics. Economics has 2 books plus 2 copies, isn't it? यहाँ पर क्या है? 2 books plus 2 copies है. And it is given the shelf immediate right of bio should have at least 4 copies. तो मतलब ये वाला case invalid हो गया, isn't it? You can see the first case is invalid. That means the second will be the valid one. तो ये हट जाएगा यहाँ से, है ना? I hope this is clear. So that means the second one will be the valid one where we will have economics and geography like this. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर फिर से देखो बायो को कहाँ पर प्लेस करोगे? यू कैन नॉट टेक योर बायो एट दिस एंड, दैट इज टुवर्ड्स द इमीडिएट लेफ्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, बिकॉज इसके इमीडिएट राइट में एटलीस्ट 4 कॉपीज हैव टू बी देयर एंड बायो कैन नॉट बी अ नेबर ऑफ ज्योग्राफी. दैट मीन्स बायो हैज टू बी हियर एंड इफ बायो इज हियर यू कैन सी इंग्लिश हैज टू बी हियर एंड योर हिस्ट्री इज द रिमेनिंग वन, सो हिस्ट्री हैज टू बी हियर. ठीक है, तो ये आपका बन जाएगा. इकोनॉमिक्स का टोटल क्या है? यू कैन सी दिस इज 2 बुक्स प्लस 2 कॉपीज. What is bio here? Bio is 2 books plus 5 copies. What is history here? History was anyways 9 books plus 4 copies, right? ये 9 books plus 4 copies था. Geography we do not know. English is 3 books plus 4 copies. And what is the length of economics? You can see that is your 32 centimeter. The length of bio is 53. Length of history is 73 centimeter. Length of English is 55 centimeter. ठीक है. अब geography कैसे निकालोगे? How do we find geography here? It was given the total length of the shelf is 264 centimeter. ठीक है. Total has to be 264. यहाँ पर total already कितना आ रहा है? You can see 32 is there, 53 is there, 73 is there and 55 is there. ये total कितना आया? 538, 8 to 10 and 1 3, right? And 7 5 12, 12 and 8 is 20, 21. So 213 is already there. होना कितना चाहिए था? 264, isn't it? So you have to take 264 minus 213. That will be the remaining one. So we get a 51 centimeter here. That means geography will be how much? 51 centimeter. A 51 centimeter का combination निकाल लो. That what should be the number of books and copies? I hope this is clear everybody. ये सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं? Please बताइएगा. Are we clear with this particular question? Everybody? Is it clear? ठीक है. तो ज्योग्राफी का कॉम्बिनेशन क्या होगा? यू कैन सी 45 plus 6 we do not have. 36 plus we have to find 51, right? 51 निकालना है ना? 51 we have to see. So 36 plus 20, 36 plus 19 we do not have, right? 27 and 51 के लिए क्या चाहिए? 27 plus 14, 27, 37 नहीं, नहीं है, 24 भी नहीं है. 18 के साथ बनेगा क्या? What will be the combination here? 35 and 9, no. 42 and 9, 42 and 9, yes, 42 plus 9 will give us a 51, isn't it? So this will be the combination, that is 9 plus 42. That means we have one book and 6 copies, 7 copies in here, right? 7 6 are 42. So this will be your 7 copies here. ठीक है? Clear? Chalo, next question very quickly on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. This is a question based on seating arrangement, that is blood relation plus seating arrangement. So you will have to find the seating arrangement as well as the blood relation. It will be better if you are able to find the blood relation first. तो पहले इसका blood relation निकालने की कोशिश करो. 6 copies. हाँ, okay, I'm so sorry. 6 copies. 7 into 6 ना? चलो, 6 copies. Okay, so next question. Yes, Avi, absolutely. The next question on your screen. So let's try to find out this one. That is, first let's try to find out what is the blood relation, and also we have to find out the seating arrangement here. यहाँ पर देखोगे alternate करो, मतलब simultaneously अगर seating arrangement and blood relation निकालने की कोशिश करो, it will be better. Okay, so let's try. Chalo, let's do it together. Okay, let's see that how this particular question is to be done. So you can see this is a question based on blood relation and seating arrangement. Okay, so what is given? 8 members are there sitting around a circular table facing the center. Now it is not given here that single parent is not an option, right? So unless and until it is not given that both or none of the parents should be there, or there should be both mother and father, both the parents should be there for a kid, we cannot take that particular assumption that both the parents should be there, right? Here single parent is an option. Okay, chalo, let's try it out. So P is the son of W. So okay, let's write it down. P is a male person, he is the son of W. P is second to the left of S, right? So P is second to the left of S. Let's say this is your P, this is your S, and we know P is a son, that means he is a male person. Okay, so P is second to the left of S. S is an immediate neighbor of neither U nor R. Okay, so S should not be a neighbor of U or R. No male person is an immediate neighbor of S. That means this also has to be female and this also has to be female here. Okay, U, the wife of S, is sitting third to the right of R. So U has to be third to the right of R. So where should we have your U? Let's say this is your U, because U and this R should not be a neighbor of S. So you can see U cannot be here. Similarly, U cannot be here. U cannot be here. U cannot be here because U has to be third to the right of R, right? Similarly, U third to the right of R, not possible. So you can see U third to the right of R will be possible here only, isn't it? Done the family tree, absolutely great. So you can see this is also female, this is also female. No, sorry, U is the wife of S. R can be a male person, right? We do not know. So U, the wife of S, that means U has to be a female person here for sure. Okay, U, the wife of S, is sitting third to the right of R. Done. S's son and the wife of S's son are immediate neighbors of each other. Okay. B sits second to the left of S's son. Right now we do not know where do we have S's son. Only two persons are there between W and P's brother. Neither R nor S is the brother of P. V is the sister of T. Okay. And U is the mother of W. So you can see U is the mother of W. So we have your U, V here, right? This U here, sorry. So U is the mother. That means U is a female person. And U is the wife of S, right? So if U is the wife of S, that means S has to be the husband of U, isn't it? So this kind of a structure we are getting here. Okay. Now we know that S's son and wife of S's son are immediate neighbors of each other. So S's son can be W also, because right now we do not know what is the gender of W, or it can be possible that W is a female person and we have another son for S and son has a wife here, right? That's a possibility. So we will check that later. Also we have, let's see what else do we have here. S's son and wife of S's son are immediate neighbors of each other. Okay, we will see that. Okay, so where can we have S's son? Let's say S's son and the wife of S's son has to be neighbor. Okay, so this person can be, let's say, S's son or wife of S's son, and similarly we can have one person here. Similarly, let's say S's son can be this person, right? This person can be S's son, and the person who is immediate neighbor, that is this one, can be wife of S's son. Ye bhi possible hai. U cannot be S's son, P cannot be S's son, and similarly these two persons also cannot be S's son. So you can see either R has to be S's son, and the wife can be either this person or the immediate neighbor can be here. And similarly, this also can be S's son, and this person immediate to his left will be wife of S's son, right? So we have two possibilities. We'll check that later. V is second to the left of S's son. Okay, V have to be second to the left of S's son. So let's say if you place your S's son at this position, okay, second to the left, not possible, isn't it? You can see not possible in this case. Let's say if we take S's son here, so V second to the left of S's son, possible. Let's say S's son is this person who is R. S, not possible. So you can see, can we have P as S's son? P as S's son? No, because from the family tree you can see P cannot be S's son. So now you can see that only this is the possibility for S's son, isn't it? This will be the possibility for S's son. And S के son के second left में we have your V. So V has to be a female person here. Okay, this is your V. V sits second to the left of S's son. Okay, chalo. Now you can see that S's son's wife can be R also. That is also a possibility. And this person also who is immediate right of S's son can be his wife as well. Right? So that's also a possibility here. ठीक है. और देखते हैं what is given. V is the sister of T. So V anyways is a female person. She is the sister of T. We will check. Only two brothers are there between W and P's brother. Neither R nor S is the brother of P. ठीक है. So there should be two persons between W and P. Okay, that also has to be there. And U is the mother of W and is an immediate neighbor of neither Q nor V. So you can see that U is not a neighbor of Q. So Q has to be either S's son or Q has to be this person here. Okay, who is between P and S. Okay, so Q can be either of these two persons here, either female person or Q can be S's son also. We will check that later. Okay, चलो अब इसको देखते हैं. Let's try to place this information that only two persons are there between W and P's brother. So where should we have your W and P's brother? ठीक है. So let's say we do not know the gender of W here. Let's say W is this person. Can W be S's son? No. Yes, W can be S's son. Let's say this is your W. ठीक है, मान लो इसको हमने W रखा. So that means there should be two persons between W and P's brother. So you can see S can be P's brother. No. 1, 2, P cannot be P's brother. So you can see W is not S's son. Right? W cannot be the one who is S's son, because if you take W as S's son, you cannot take two persons between W and P's brother, because S cannot be P's brother and similarly P cannot be his own brother. That means this is not possible. W is not this person. ठीक है, मान लो W को यहाँ पर रखा. Okay, again you can see two persons between W and this P's brother. 1, 2, not possible. V is a female person. W here 1, 2. This is again a female person. So this again cannot be W. That means the only possibility will be W here. ठीक है, अगर W यहाँ पर है, that means you can understand that W is a female person here. Okay, so if W is a female person, that means we have another son here, right? And this son is also having a wife here, है ना, यही बनेगा. And now you can see W and P's brother have to be at a gap of two persons. You can see this R, it is given neither R nor S is the brother of P. So that means R is not a brother of P, right? R cannot be the brother of P. So that means this will be your P's brother here, isn't it? ये हो जाएगा P's brother, because there are two persons between W and P's brother. तो P's brother को place कर दिया. So who should be S's son's wife? Because it was given that S's son and S's son's wife has to be neighbor of each other. That means this is your S's son's wife here, right? S's son's wife. So that means R has to be the wife of S's son. So that means R will be here. ठीक है, ये R हो जाएगा. Who is S's son's wife? Okay. I hope this is clear, everybody. Now let's see whatever is remaining. We will quickly place here. We had 8 members here. यहाँ पर कितने लोग बन रहे हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 persons are already there. V is the sister of T. Okay, so V is the sister of T. We will check, and this is given that W is an immediate neighbor of neither Q nor V, right? So you can see U is the mother of W and is not an immediate neighbor of Q or V, right? So U cannot be a neighbor of Q. So that means Q has to be there, right? This has to be your Q. So that means Q is the son of S, right? So if Q is the son of S, so Q will be here. ठीक है, ये आपका Q हो गया. Now who is the person? You can see T is this person who is remaining here. So T will be P's brother. So you can see T will be this person. Okay. And now we have this information. V is the sister of T. So V will be this person here. V is a female person. She is the sister of T. So ये आपका family tree बनेगा, and this will be the seating arrangement here. So are we getting the same answer, guys? Please let me know. क्या यही बन रहा है सबका? Are we getting the same one? So this will be the final arrangement and the final family tree here. You can see that S will be married to U, R will be married to Q, W will be the female person who is the daughter of S and U, and we have V, P and T as the children of W here. Same, absolutely great work. Okay. So I hope we were able to understand all the questions that we have done for today. Again, next Monday, we will be having few more questions for your upcoming examinations, right? We will be practicing a lot of good questions for your upcoming examination. So please remember, guys, Monday and Wednesday, right? What happens is we have Monday and Wednesday 10 a.m. Okay? So Monday and Wednesday We have 10 a.m. sessions, so do not miss it out for your upcoming RBI Grade B examination. Okay. And in case you have any doubts, you can always feel free to reach out to me on the Telegram channel, that is Reasoning by Nikita 01. Okay. So Reasoning by Nikita 01. You can reach out to me on this particular channel. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's session. In case you have doubts, feel free to reach out to me on this channel. I'll be happy to help you out with it. Now guys, please do not forget to like the session. तो session को end करने से पहले please like जरूर कर देना and share it with your friends that yes, we are having absolutely great questions for your upcoming exams. So thank you guys. I'll see you again with another session. So please take care, stay safe, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Thank you.